I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable margin trading on Kraken, follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Create a Kraken account. If you haven't already signed up for a Kraken account, you'll need to provide your email, create a password, and verify your identity. Step 2. Complete verification. To enable margin trading, you must complete the necessary verification levels. This typically involves submitting identification documents and proof of residence. Step 3. Enable margin trading. Once verified, navigate to the settings menu in your account. Look for the trading section and toggle on the margin trading option. Step 4. Fund your account. Before you can start margin trading, ensure your account has sufficient funds. Deposit cryptocurrency or fiat currency as needed. Step 5. Start trading. With everything set up, go to the trading interface. Select the margin trading option and choose your trading pair to start. Be mindful of the leverage settings. Remember, margin trading can amplify both gains and losses, so trade wisely. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Happy trading!